Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi in Blender. We will begin by setting up our scene and understanding the fundamental tools needed for three-dimensional modeling. You will learn to create the basic shapes for your sushi, focusing on precision and scale. This initial step is crucial for building a realistic and appealing sushi model, laying the groundwork for all subsequent details and textures. We will cover essential navigation and object creation. Next, let's focus on crafting the core components, the rice and nori. For the rice, we will use a basic cylinder and apply a subdivision surface modifier to achieve a smooth, rounded appearance, then sculpt individual grains. The nori will be created from a simple plane, extruded and scaled to form a thin, rectangular wrap. Pay close attention to maintaining realistic proportions, ensuring the nori perfectly encases the rice base. Now, it's time to bring your sushi to life by adding the delicious fillings and intricate details. We will model different ingredients such as salmon, tuna, avocado, and cucumber using basic shapes and then refine them. Employ sculpting tools to give these elements organic textures, mimicking real food. Carefully arrange each filling within your sushi roll or nigiri, paying attention to visual balance and composition for an appetizing look. Finally, we will move on to texturing and rendering your sushi masterpiece. Apply realistic materials to the rice, nori, and fillings, using image textures or procedural shaders to achieve authentic appearances. Set up a studio lighting environment with key, fill, and rim lights to highlight the details and create depth. Adjust camera angles and render settings to produce a stunning, high-resolution image of your perfectly crafted three-dimensional sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.